Sorry. Okay, do it.
So the airline.
Okay, let's do it. Hi! From the Philippines!
We're finally here. Settled down, getting in the groove, getting ready for the coming year here in the Philippines. In this video, we're gonna talk about how we pack for 1 year in the Philippines. And we had a limit. So the airline we flew with had a limit of 25 kilos per checked-in baggage. But would you agree that we got some experience in this field?
Yeah, we've been moving around quite a bit. Like, yeah, we've been nomads for a while.
Yeah. So if you reverse the tape, in March 2021 we moved to Spain for 8 months. And then in the winter of 2021 we moved back to Sweden, but we moved to Gotland, a whole different part of Sweden we've never been to before.
An island.
An island. So both those times we had to travel with like just 2-3 bags.
Yeah.
And start a new life there. So now this challenge of moving to Philippines, for me I think it's a fun challenge.
For me, less fun. Yeah, I like...
You like
more
options.
things. I like options, indeed. And going to Philippines this time was different because we were not just going, to visit for a month or so. I go back home to the Philippines. I will bring lots of pasalubongs in my bag. Like, pasalubong is gifts for family and friends that you bring. So this time, there was no space for pasalubongs, except one. I got one in my bag. But still, so this was quite a challenge for me. Go to the Philippines with not having so much pasalubongs and just pack things that are really essential for a year to survive here.
How's it going, baby?
Not so good. I'm so stressed that I'm like eating instead of packing. But yeah, I have to deal with this mess of mine.
Let's go.
Yeah.
How's it going?
It's going. The final touches. Wish we had a few more kgs, but it's alright. Ready to go.
Ready to go.
Ready to
Packed.
Said and done. Stockholm first, then to the airport, then Doha, then Manila. High five, babe. We're on our way.
We managed to get it under 50 kg combined. Yeah. So when we checked in our baggage at the airport, it was 49.7 kilos. Good job! It was a lot of work the last few days.
Yeah.
We had some overweight when we started packing the last few days, but we did it.
We packed, repacked, packed, and repacked.
So with further ado, let's show you what we got.
Yeah.
So we had 1 luggage each and 1 backpack each. That's it for 1 year in Philippines. So if we start with clothes, I have 7 underwear, 11 socks, 8 workout tops, 5 workout shorts or tights, 1 pair of swim trunks, 6 shirts, 3 pants, 2 shorts, 4 t-shirts, 2 hoodies, 4 basketball jerseys, 1 long-armed shirt, and 1 belt and 1 pair of sunglasses.
Those are all the clothes. Oh my gosh. My list goes on a little bit longer than yours. I have 19 items of underwear, 15 pairs of socks, 3 sport bras, 3 bandeaus, 3 bras, 2 workout tops, 7 pair of workout and yoga pants, 1 one-piece shorts, 3 pants, 1 shawl, 1 bikini and 3 bathing suits, 1 long sleeve shirt, 6 tank tops, 3 kaftans, 6 t-shirts, 1 onesuit that is long, 2 cardigans, 4 long dresses that are long, and then 4 long dresses that are short. So 8 in total. 2 sunglasses. So in total that is 82 items. Oh my gosh.
If we move over to gadgets, I got 1 big tripod, 2 cameras, 1 large microphone and 2 mosquito microphones, 3 lenses, 1 light, 1 mobile tripod, 1 computer, and 1 phone. 4 hard drives, and I also got gadget equipment of a total of 20 plus things, including cords, batteries, chargers, USB cords, and computer mouses.
And for my part, when it comes to gadgets, 1 cell phone, 1 laptop, chargers, and I think that's basically it.
And as we're gonna move around a lot and health is a priority for both of us,
Yeah.
we are bringing a little home gym.
For the basic essentials, basically.
Yeah, 10 plus items with bands, TRX, massage balls, skipping rope, a roller, and a gym bag. And I also got running equipment, bottles, and my Apple Watch and stuff.
Shoes, I got 1 pair of sneakers and 1 pair of sandals.
I got 2 pairs of workout sneakers, 1 pair of sandals, 1 pair of regular sneakers, and we also got 1 pair each of slippers to use when you're swimming in the ocean. And books, I got 2 books. You got
7, I think, maybe more. 7 or 8, 9, something like that. Yeah, including my journal.
And I also got the journal.
I do like to keep up on my reading and dive deeper into, for example, yoga or health and fitness, nutrition and those things. So I had so many books at home that I wanted to dive deeper into and read more, but I didn't have the time when I was back in Sweden. So I picked up a few now, brought them here, and then I'll read the others when I'm back in Sweden one of these days.
And for both of us, we got a hairdresser kit.
Yeah, since I do cut his hair. Yeah.
And we got some home antigen tests for the COVID
Testing.
to check out. And we got a lot of face masks, because here you still have to use them.
Yeah. Makeup and beauty essentials. I have about 20 plus something items, including hygiene essentials as well. I have 1 yoga mat, and I love essential oils, so I brought tiny bottles filled with essential oils, and I got 15 pair of these little bottles. And of course, also we brought a mini pharmacy basic kit with the ibuprofen, paracetamol, band-aid, etc. Basic things that you might need.
That's it.
That's it. Oh my gosh, what a list for my part.
That's our stuff for 1 year.
Yeah. I kind of realize now that, my gosh, why did I end up bringing so many pairs of this and that?
Yeah.
And then I'm thinking with you, my gosh, you go to the Philippines and you bring only 1 pair of swim trunks? Like for real? Yeah. And no words. No words needed there. Yeah. We're a little bit different on how we think. Like for example, how many underwear did you bring?
7.
7, and I brought 19. Kind of shows a difference from one pair of SIM cards. Philippines? Just saying. But we'll buy you extra if you need one. But yeah. So what was the hardest part for you, babe, when it came to the packing?
For me, it was the gadgets equipment, because the gadgets and the camera equipment, they're also the items that weigh a lot. So it was hard to I had to trim down on what we bring here so we can still do the stuff we want to do with live streaming and recording classes and other stuff, recording our stuff, but still have it few items as possible. So that was the hardest for me. What was the hardest for you?
I think actually to not bring any pasalubong. I thought it was really hard to not, pack more than just a few of them in my bag. So to not bring any pasalubongs, gifts for family and friends was kind of hard for me. But also, without the clothes, because I keep thinking with the washing or laundry that, oh, you might need that. Or I love dresses. I have so many, I could just, bring them all. But yeah, I think that was a little bit tricky. We will probably go by plane, like when we travel to another island or so here in Philippines as well. So the things that are in the bag is what is going with us all the time. So here maybe you'll buy the shampoo or you'll buy some soap and stuff. But the things that are in the bag to use is kind of what will be with you, right?
That's it.
That is it.
That's our packing. How do you think we did? Would you do the same as us, or would you do something different with your packing? Comment below.
And don't forget to subscribe.
So we'll see you next time, and in the next video we're gonna update you on our first week here in Manila.
So I'll see you guys soon. Until then, mag-ingat ka lagi. Take care.